Your name is so magnificent, Father God. I praise you. I thank you for the life you have given me, for the things, the blessings that I have had. You have made me one of the wealthiest men on this earth. And for that I give you praise alone. Oh Lord, for the simple things, the oxen, the sheep, the donkey. Oh Father God, I worship you. My heart is full of humbleness. I give you praise. And Lord, I thank you for my children. Oh Lord, I pray for my children. I take these things that you have given unto me, Father God, and I sacrifice them in their name. In the name of my children, oh Father God, please, I pray that you take these sacrifices. Lord, I sacrifice them. We're hoping, oh Father God, that you can take their hearts in the palm of your hands and mold them, mold their lives into what you want them to be, Father God. Help them to see the truth, Father God. Oh Lord, many times I cannot see what they are doing, but Lord, you are always there. And I pray for your protection, guidance, and your mercy, Father God, upon my children. Hear my prayer, oh Father God. I love you. Thank you.
Where have you come from?
Roaming around the world, coming from in and out.
My servant Job?
Obviously.
There is none like him on the earth, a blameless and upright man who fears God and shuns evil.
He is not faithful. Busy? No, he's not. Protected. I bet you if you respect one arm, like everything you own, it's very precious to your faith.
Well then, all that he has is in your power. Only do not lay a hand on this person. Where have you come from?
Around the world.
Have you considered my servant Job? That there is none like him on the earth, a blameless and upright man, the one who fears God and shuns evil, and still he holds fast to his integrity. Although you incited me against him to destroy him without cause.
Still, a man like this, I mean, look at it. Do I even have to say anything? Skin for skin. One more try. Skin for skin. He stretched for one arm. Got everything he had. Bone, flesh, blood. Surely the cuts to your face.
Well then, he is in your hand, but spare his life.